ENC 867, no? Tama?
864.
864. Okay. Ito pa nga pala. Nakalimutan ko. ENC 864. So, full metal unit. Meron siyang front assembly na around 9.5 inches. So, SLR yan. Pero wala siyang markings. So, meron kasi tayo nito SLR. Polymer handguard. And then, may front and rear sight na rin. So, for ENC, all the same internals naman sila dun sa... May chinek din ako kanina na 416, the same internal parts, reinforced na rin. And then for the markings, ayan, may engraved marking siya. Lapit mo onte, brother. So working bolt release, metal selector, polymer grip, metal trigger, naka butterfly swivel for sling attachment, and naka Ultor na stock. Fully adjustable din. Chamber, rotary type chamber, metal charging handle, and then mag capacity is around 300 rounds. Camot type. Okay. So, i-chrono check natin. So, sa pag-detach ito, i-adjust nyo, fully adjust hanggang dulo ng buffer tube, and then, reverse yung paghatak. Sorry. Hahatakin nyo, pababa. Okay. So, nakatamiya plug lang siya. Game, chrono check natin, guys. Ilan?
439, 435.
So, FPS, OTB is around 430 to 440. Ilan? 17. Okay, so, stock to, guys, 17 RPS siya. Okay? So, again, ENC 864.